This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can change the camera's Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first, launch the Insta360 mobile app. Make sure that your camera is connected to it. Then go into Settings, scroll down, and look for the other settings. Here, go for the Set Camera Wi-Fi Password, Authorize, take your action case, or anyway, just take this thing here, go into, tap at the confirm button, and now return to the mobile app and set new password. Then input it once again to confirm. And here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.